So it's one of those things. You spend ages picking the right toilet roll holder, and just when you think they've found the perfect one, a disaster happens. Well, it's time to work out how to resolve this extra low toilet roll dispenser problem. So in deep darkest Prestatyn, where Storm Cara is hitting hard, the torrent going down. I think lower Prestatyn's been lost, but at the top of the hill we're doing alright. I've gone the wild side, so a bit of a log, made it into a stool type affair. I'm going to attempt my first ever bow tie of that crack though, so it doesn't spread. Fingers crossed. Probably could have been a bit easier on the router work, and I've chosen not to square the corners off. Not sure if you can see that on the video. More round the corners off on the bow tie. And fits like a dream. Yeah, first blood to Kelvin. Milmo Wood, here we go. I know it's a really simple thing to do, guys, but it's the first one I've ever done, and I'm really happy with that. Just a quick sand in now, and a bit of finish. Nice little coat of varnish. Colour really looks good. Shame of it is though, it's never going to be seen. Oh no, it's there. And finally, to try out this amazing plinth and hopefully reach that dreaded toilet roll so much easier. So much easier.